Hello, what's up guys? So, ayun. Sa video to, papakita ko sa inyo na meron tayong bagong couch. Tingnan nyo naman, mukhang mamahalin talaga guys. Yung mga ganitong couch pala, nagkakahalaga ng $1,000 to $2,000. Wow! Pero, hindi tayo gumastos ng ganun kalaki dahil nakuha natin to for free. So, kung paano nangyari yon, abangan nyo to guys. Konting kwento lang dahil kahapon, yung isa sa mga katrabaho ko guys, naghahanap ng couch. Dahil gusto na niyang palitan yung couch nila sa living room. So, meron ako nahanap sa marketplace na free. Ngayon, pinakita ko sa kanya, tinanong ko na, gusto mo ba to? Sabi ko kasi leather couch yun. Pinakita ko sa kanya, ayaw niya. May pambili naman siya. Tsaka medyo, syempre may mga maselan din dito na mga bumibili. Ngayon, yung nahanap ko na to, tinransak ko sa marketplace. So, tinanong ko, sabi ko saan yung pickup, kailan yung availability ng pickup. And then sabi niya, today nga. And basta daw meron akong sasakyan para pick upin dahil hindi niya kayang i-deliver. So tinignan ko yung mga pictures, humingi ako ng extra pictures. Ayan, kung makikita nyo sa video. And maganda pa siya, maayos pa yung mga pictures. Sabi naman niya na magpapalit lang siya, kaya nila fini-free. So gusto lang nilang i-dispose. So dito kasi guys, kapag yung mga may-ari ng mga bahay gusto nang palitan yung design ng bahay nila, kahit maayos pa yung gamit, i-dispose talaga nila. Kapag masipag kang maghanap sa marketplace, mag-browse, may makikita ka mga magagandang gamit. So, fast forward guys, magre-rent ako ng U-Haul ngayong araw dahil kakatapos lang ng work ko. I-video ko guys, sana abangan nyo. Titignan natin yung couch kung good find ba, or tingnan natin kung babagay ba siya sa bahay dahil medyo matagal na rin yung gamit naming couch. Nakarent na tayo ng U-Haul, kaso lang walang van. So ang nakuha ko is napakalaki. Ayan, ano yata to, 10 footer or 15. Mas malaki sa mga nire-rent ko dati. Pero ayan, no choice ako kasi dito na ako napunta na pagre-rentahan. And wala silang available na ibang unit. So nirent ko na, $10 difference lang naman. So yun guys, aalis na kami. Pipick upin na namin yung couch. So kasama ko si Ian and Race. Bye mami.
Bye mommy, love you.
Aww.
U-Haul. Ang laki.
Wait, I'll open it.
3 seats.
There's 3 seats here, it's bigger.
Go. Hawak ang diyaw. Wow.
Put this one, sir.
Huh? Where's the seatbelt?
Let me see.
I have to adjust it to me.
You don't fit. You don't fit.
To adjust.
You don't fit?
You have to adjust it.
Yeah, I know. There. Kasya na ba?
More?
Yeah. Wait.
Here.
Let me see.
Yay.
So, drive muna tayo guys.
Here, I'll hold it.
Okay. Punta muna tayo doon. Okay. Turn off ko muna.
Here?
Yeah. So, papunta na kami guys doon sa pipikapan natin. So, nandito na tayo guys sa area ng pipikapan natin.
Oh yes.
Taas mo konti para makita. Yan.
It feels like
Your destination is on the right.
So, it's 603? 603. 603.
599.
I think this one.
Wow.
So there's a few stairs we gotta maneuver a little bit.
Okay.
So, but me and you little guys don't have to do a whole
Yeah, I think we can do it.
yeah. It's not too heavy. But
Okay.
I was just
Oh yeah.
move this.
Try to remove it. We might scratch it.
Yeah. Here, I'll here.
Yeah, I saw it on Marketplace and I said, oh nice, this is free. Actually,
Yeah.
I have a workmate
Okay.
that was looking for a couch, but he wants a L type.
Oh yeah, yeah.
So I showed it this one, and she said, "Oh, I don't like it. I like the L type."
Right.
She got
right.
money, so I said,
Yeah.
if I transacted this one and they agreed, I can pick it up for us.
Yeah. Here, I'm just gonna. So we'll just.
Wait.
So it should be like it has the feet on the bottom.
Yeah. Are they removable?
With a screwdriver, I can take them off. Oh, would you mind just closing that door for me? Thank you. I could do it. It's probably not that much, so it might.
Do we need to remove them or no?
Me, I would. Just, but I don't know how you're gonna do it when you get home. But if you have a basic screwdriver, it'll take
Oh, yeah.
2
I
minutes. 2 minutes to do it.
No, I mean while loading it up. Do we
Yeah.
need to remove the screws or no?
I don't. You know what? The biggest part is just maneuvering it down here and out, but it'll go out no
Okay.
problem.
Okay.
Yeah, I wouldn't worry about that.
If it's not too heavy, then I
Yeah.
can.
You know what? There's this. You can have this as well. We had this.
Okay.
It goes. It fits.
So guys, nakuha na natin. Ah. So, touchdown guys. Nandito na tayo. Careful, maipit ka. And then push it up. Push it up. This one. Yung handle yan.
Oh. This
So-
first?
Yeah. So ito yung mga nakuha natin for free guys. Tingnan nyo naman, napakaayos. Napakabango pa. Nakita nyo naman yung bahay kung gaano kaganda, di ba? So, ito lang yung binibigay nila. At saka itong couch, love seat and couch. Tapos, binigay nito yung asawa. Tsaka yung ano, coffee table. So, goods na goods guys. Ang nagastos lang natin dito is bayad ng U-Haul.
The tape.
Tapos lahat free na. So, good find guys. Nakaswerte tayo ngayong araw. May bago na tayong couch. Thank you Lord. Bababa na natin. So, ito yung itsura ng loob ng bahay ngayon guys. Ah.
Shores, lava.
You like it, Soy?
Yeah. Mommy, I have to move this.
So, napakaganda niya pa guys.
Is that listen?
Wala pa siyang masyadong scratch. Or wala siyang scratch. Meron lang siyang lukot ng konti. Pero napakaganda. So, atid ko muna yung U-Haul guys. Thank you. Bye-bye.